No, don't hold on. You can't hold on to the wall. I said don't hold on to the wall.
And I got love, baby girl, I'm the thought first. I love her checking, I can't put no one above her. Me and you and all this birds just be my lover. You a diamond, I ain't seen nobody finer. Wanna bless you and take a trip to the Bahamas.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're on our way to go ice skating and probably get something to eat afterwards. I don't know, but I can't see over it. Let me gotta do that now.
I know how to skate. I know how to ice skate.
Great.
I was watching videos how to ice skate last night.
I don't know how to do this shit.
I do. You finna be falling. Stand up.
If you sit right there, facing me,
Stupid ass. Walk, man.
do you want me to tie your skates?
Why you ain't tying?
Yeah, it's okay. I had to learn.
Go. Go, go. Try to go. I'm gonna fall, man. Man, I'm finna fall, bro.
Okay, just stand.
Damn.
I can't do this shit.
Look at him. Like he play hockey.
Get in front of me. Get in. No, hold on to me, nigga. Do not. How many people know how to skate? They're like, where
out
they
here,
learn this shit at?
Hey, look, y'all finna go. Y'all ready? Well, I did a 360. I'm getting the hang of it a little bit now. Yes, I am. You just gotta.
Your leg shaking. Let me hold.
Get back. Steady, I'm
Baby. Alright, come on. Here go me. No, don't hold on. You can't hold on to the wall. I said don't hold on to the wall.
Alright now.
I can't do this shit. Oh,
Alright now.
you almost got it though. Get your legs together. Don't hold on to me. Okay,
Why can't they get off this wall?
I'm finna skate. I'm not on the wall. Y'all can see I'm not on the wall. I kinda got the hang of it though. Real tight.
I don't know, but
Don't break your ankle.
don't break my ankles. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh shit!
This shit hard. Holy shit, give us one.
Let's just throw out the poses.
People think they're like clapping.
Hold my hand. Go.
Oh, it's the other way.
What you mean?
You need to put your legs together.
Okay, come on.
Go slow. You can't hold me back.
Nigga, you pull me. You got the handle. Yeah, wait, not watch it. I'm finna go. I was watching that dude go. He was like lifting his feet up, like he was walking, like him. What's his ass? Come on.
I still ain't falling.
You failed. You already failed.
No.
Yes, you did. Stupid ass. Ooh, you got ice on you. Ooh, you got ice on you. Hey. Make a fall.
Stop, Rashad.
Stop, for real.
No.
You gotta catch me first. Okay, first wanna make sure he don't know what he's doing.
He don't even know what he's doing, but look at him on the wall. Okay. Get off the wall.
My ankles hurt.
We gotta go now.
Come on. Let's go. Yeah, we out there. Now y'all see me. I was like Wayne Gretzky. I ain't fall at once.
Yes, you did.
I ain't fall at all.
You definitely fell. Definitely.
I don't trip. I don't never fall.
They don't share that video.
I went around the whole thing like 6 times. She was over there holding on to the wall. Anybody want to see me in ice game? Come on. I just want to eat. I don't know why she got an attitude. I don't know what she got an attitude right here. That's attitude right here. What you just did?
I was eating mozzarella stick.
What you just do?
Eating mozzarella stick.
But my food hasn't got here yet. You're not supposed
Your
to.
food's right there.
That's the appetizer for both of us.
You know I'm not gonna eat.
You're not supposed to eat until my food gets here too. If your food here with mine now, what does that mean?
What do I mean?
You know you don't eat until the other person's food get there.
Okay.
You didn't know that? No manners.
Really?
You got no manners.
You used to never watch no football games when I know man. You watch football.
I'm gonna cook those food. Do something wrong. Do something wrong.
I don't know.
You choke me? I just got a simple burger, right? Cause I want.
Can you stop? Cause you make me look fat.
I wasn't really that hungry. We sharing these mozzarella sticks.
No, we're not.
And look
We're
what
not
she got.
sharing that. We're not sharing that. And I'm not eating all this.
Is she, huh?
I'm not eating all this. So stop lying.
She gonna eat all of that.
I'm not eating all this.
Somebody was hungry.
I'm not eating all this.
Somebody was hungry.
I'm not eating all this, and we're not sharing the mozzarella stick. So he's lying.
Okay, y'all. I got.
Okay, then.
She got one. I'm gonna get her one more so it can be
No.
even. She already ate 3 of hers.
No, I
And she got
didn't.
wings.
I did not eat 3. I didn't even. Okay.
And she gonna eat all that. She's love these right here.
I don't even eat it. You're literally lying.
Called you.
Stop. Did I eat all my food? No. None of my food.
Well, y'all, that's
You
it
did
for
that
today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And You see y'all. You just insecure about your big boobs. It's okay, I'm sorry.